Hi, Swati. Swati.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Doc. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. How are you, sir?
Good,
Hi,
good.
everyone.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So we'll just give a couple of minutes for everyone to join. I know it's the first call for you.
That's great.
If you want to come on video, do come on video. I'll be on video in a minute.
That's fine. I can, sir.
So I'm seeing Swati for the first time, Uma Shankari for the first time. I know I've seen you, Doc, but I'll be coming on video. Welcome.
Good evening, Abhishek.
Good evening. Good evening. I know we have 7 people who are supposed to show up. I know three of them are retail pharmacy people, so they cannot join in this time. But anyways, we'll get started. Welcome everyone. Not to take too much of our your time here. This is a very
Hi,
short.
everyone.
Hi. So this is
Hi.
a very short call. I just wanted to welcome everyone and kind of go over some of the course navigation and introduction. And if you have any questions, please do ask any questions so that I'll be able to answer. So basically, what I wanted to go over is I normally do the course navigation and introduction part for every batch that we start, and I'm going to do this. Everything that I'm talking to you right now is basically recorded, and I'll show you where you can see the same recording. If you have any doubts tomorrow, you can review this recording again in the LMS. I'm sure you guys must have got an email with your learning management system credentials, login, password, and everything. So I'll kind of show you. I'll take you screen to screen so it becomes easier. So before we go into the course navigation and the course completion part, there are like few, you know, uh, I would say few rules or few recommendations that I would like to share with you. So the only thing that you need to get out of this call, if you did not understand anything in the next 5-10 minutes, is this: make sure you attend live classes as much as possible. That is one thing that you have to do. If you see all our students who got jobs in their success stories, they always keep saying they are in the class. They are in the class as much as possible. Now life happens, and if you cannot attend a class because of family or health reasons, that's fine. But review the module, probably the same week or the following week, and get back on track. Don't let it slip away. So that is only recommendation I have. I don't have a laundry list. Only one thing is be on the class. The second thing is about communication, because the classes are happening in the evening. Our office closes at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So even if you call or text or anything, no one is going to answer until you get a job, until you don't need MediPharm Solutions. Your only communication should be to that email, students at MediPharm Solutions. They respond like literally within 24 hours. In all cases, there are two admins who work on that email, and I look at those emails every single day. And if there is any email that is addressed to me, I'm going to give you the reply. So basically, your channel of communication should be, even worst case scenario, let us say you don't see the class link, you cannot find it. As much as possible, try to email to that students at MediPharm Solutions. so that we can at least send you the class link. Now, for any reason, if we cannot do it in time, you're out of luck and you need to watch the recording the next day. Just in case, I mean, if I don't lay, because there's no one after 5 o'clock, you know, and the classes are at like 7 o'clock in the evening, 8 o'clock in the evening, and for some reason, the admin forgot to email you or whatever. Just make sure that you email. And most of the times, I am there after 5 o'clock. I just look at emails, and if there's anything that I need to share, I normally do it myself. There's an admin who leaves at, I believe, 6 o'clock. So she's also looking at it. So your communication should be to that email, bottom line. The next thing is course navigation. I'll share my screen with you and I'll take you through the whole thing. Let me know when you guys can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is showing a Google page.
Yeah. So basically, what it is you should have this link. Um, you should have this link called certificationprograms.medipharmsolutions.com. um, you should have the email with your LMS access. I believe you all of you should have. And once you come to this page, just do to students login. This should be your home page. You can bookmark this home page. This, once you log in, your username password is given to you in the email. So once you log in, you will be taken into the LMS system. This is an admin account, so you see all our programs. But for you guys, you only see drug safety and pharmacovigilance. So this is what you see. And once you click here, you will go into all the modules. All these are modules, as you can see: advanced drug safety, pharmacovigilance training, and then you see all the modules here, all the way to, like, there are some self-learning modules. There are some core modules which we are going to teach in the classes, all core modules. And then once core modules are done, you have Argus modules in sequence, Argus modules. And then once Argus modules are done, the rest of them are very like job description based modules. They're not longer modules. These are all self-learning modules. Once you complete the core modules in the live classes, and once you complete Argus, you can take your time in going through it. The success stories are here. If you need a textbook, the textbook is here. It's Cobert's manual. It's not like you need to read this textbook, but just as a reference guide, if you need to like kind of go over something, this is the textbook that you can read if you want. This is the final assessment. This is where you kind of take your final exam. You can take this final exam any number of times. There's no limit to it. I believe there are 50 multiple choice questions. You need to get 40 of them right. And once you get it, you take the screenshot of it and send it to students at MediPharm Solutions, and we will send you the certificate and the credit certificate and all those things. That is how the course navigation works. So the now coming to course navigation, whatever I'm talking to you right now, if you want to review this again just for your clarity, tomorrow log into LMS the way I logged in, click on course navigation and course completion. You will see one video. All these videos are the same. You will see, like, always look at the bottommost video. So tomorrow when you come back, when you see here, you will see this video uploaded. There'll be only one video in the bottommost. This video will be deleted. The top video will be deleted, and you'll see two videos. Just watch the bottommost one. Now the same way, that pretty much that's how it. All Tuesday classes are uploaded on Wednesday before noon, and all Thursday classes are uploaded by Friday before noon EST. So most of the times we do it early in the morning, but just in case if something happens 12 o'clock, we upload them, so it's there. So from June 4th, from next week, Tuesday, we are going to start off with safety database. We're going to go into Argus. So Tuesday class will be uploaded into here. Like, you will get an email from students at MediPharm Solutions to log into Zoom, like how you guys logged into the Zoom right now. You log in, we are going to go over safety database module. And let us say on Wednesday, you want to review it. Just click on safety database here. You'll see two videos. This video will be deleted. This video will be there. You will see one more video from Tuesday. just go through the bottommost video. Don't go through all the videos. Okay. So we always keep two versions. So, and the other thing is, once you're done with it, if there's anything that you need to do, any handout you want to read, you want to do the assessment, you can do the assessment. These are all frequently asked questions in the interviews. So complete that module. And once you complete it, mark it as complete. So if you say mark as complete, your steps will be done and you go towards your certification. So every time you review it, you do the assessment, you mark complete. You review the video, you complete the assessment, mark complete. So in that way, you keep going, you keep going, you keep going. And once you're done with all the steps, then you can take your final assessment. And once you're done, like for example, final assessment will open like this. You can click on open assessment like this, and you can start your quiz, and it will kind of go through multiple choice questions. And then once you pass the exam, you can take a screenshot of that page, send it to students at MediPharm Solutions. We send you the certificate, we send you the credit certificate. Along with that, we send you job placement assistance documents. So I'm talking about course completion now. So once you do your final assessment, send out a screenshot, we'll send you the certification completion and credit certificate. Along with that, we send you a bunch of documents for job placement assistance. At that point, when you come to that point, when you have completed the course, and when you have opted for job placement assistance, you will have a call with me or Satya or Shalini, whoever is assigned or whoever is available. You'll get a call from one of us. We'll set up a one-on-one call like how we did before you enrolled. We'll go over your resume, what needs to be done. It's pretty much one-on-one. So we're going to talk about it. And once that is done, then you can go into your job placement assistance module, which is the last module, and go through all the videos. I mean, literally everything is here. I would suggest you to go through these videos. We did a recent workshop. All these videos are from that workshop. We did a three-day workshop, and I believe that is the videos that they have uploaded here. So this is all in sequence. What is job placement assistance, how is the interview process, what is the recruiter's call, how do you prep for the interview, how do you have a narrative, what are the types of narrative, how to do a mock interview, how do you dress up, how do you handle stress, how do you handle behavioral questions, what questions should be asked by you in the interview, how to handle technical questions. And again, all those things are there, very detailed oriented manner, and it will take some time. I'm not saying you need to do all these things. You guys have almost 3 to 4 months to do this. If you want to do it a little faster, you can do it, but still you need some time. You need at least 2 to 3 months time. So after the certification is when you'll have one-on-one with me or with Shalini or Satya or one of us, and then we'll take you through. We'll ask you questions regarding how well did you prepare, where are you, what is your filter, is relocation a possibility, what kind of job are you looking, and based on that, we'll kind of guide you what to be done. And at that point, come here and complete job placement assistance. So that is pretty much how it's going to go. It's a process, and you have to follow the process. You can speed up a little bit, but it's not like you're going to run through everything over the weekend. That's not possible. And you'll have access to the portal. You have access to all the slides, and everything will be emailed to you. All the slides will be emailed to you. You don't need to take screenshots. All whatever we teach you will be emailed to you, the PowerPoint presentations, so you can take notes on it, or whatever you want to do. I think they do it after the first month. They'll send you all the PowerPoint presentations of the core modules, so you don't need to take screenshots or anything, but you'll have it. You'll have access to the portal for 6 months. So basically, you guys started on, let us say, June 1st. You'll have pretty much until the end of this year, you'll have access. So you're not like missing out on anything. You know what I mean? So that gives you enough room to kind of do it. The success stories are here. We'll kind of have students who got jobs come here and talk about their story. When you guys get into jobs, we'll also ask you to do the same, and you will see a lot of them talking about how did they do it, how did they get jobs, and all those things. This is a good thing that you can watch whenever you have time. I mean, if you come from a different background, you can watch from that background how many people are doing. You see a lot of people here, and all these things are also on YouTube. So most of them are on YouTube, I believe. Now, the point I forgot to tell you is, there is no, I mean, the point I wanted to really stress upon is the modules. You can take your time in self-learning modules. You don't need to memorize anything. You don't need to, uh, you know, put any pressure on your brain to remember something. Pharmacovigilance is a very easy flowing subject. So you will learn it as you keep hearing the words. It will take some time. I always say this, it will take 2 to 3 weeks to understand the language. So don't try to get a headache now. Just to let it go organically, let those synapses form organically so it becomes easier. So just attend the class, do nothing, just attend the class. If you understand 10% of the class, you have achieved a lot. And then keep going that way. It will come full circle as you kind of go into classes. Now once you have some time, just go through all the self-learning modules until adverse drug reactions. Now, core modules is what we teach. Core modules are what we teach. We'll teach all these core modules pretty much in sequence, give or take. All these things will be live classes. All this live classes. Argus will be also be in live classes. Argus case processing will be in live classes. So do the training in Argus and everything. Don't log into Argus until you're done with the program, until you're done with the certification. I would say don't even log into Argus. Argus is not going to really help you a lot to get into a job and understand the process much faster. I would say once you have done all the modules, once you are certified, you have enough time to log into Argus and probably do one or two cases if you want to get used to the uh, application. It's not even a software, it's just an application. So just do one or two cases and then you'll understand like, oh, this is how it is, and that's more than enough. I know it's something that most people don't understand. They think that if they do Argus well, they're going to get a job faster. That's not true. You're wasting a lot of time in something that is really not stressed on in the interview process. But nevertheless, you should know Argus. We will train you in Argus. But the way you're going to do Argus is only going to be once you got certified, once you're done, then just play around in Argus, maybe for 1 or 2 weeks, do 1 or 2 cases, and you should be good. So these are things that I can tell you. As I said, most important is attending the classes. Second is communication. Always use students at MediPharm Solutions for anything and everything, payment related, billing related. You want to schedule a call with me, something is happening, you want to let us know. You have some situation in your life, and whatever happens, you don't understand something, or you have subject related questions, anything happening in your life, your cat is sick and dog died, students at MediPharm Solutions. So that's pretty much how I would say you need to go about things. Um, and I think that pretty much summarizes what I wanted to tell you. Questions, guys? Anything that I can help you? No questions?
Thank you very much. I think this is very encouraging that you said that we don't need to put burden on our head. So that's great. I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah,
as the time goes and we listen to you, then definitely things will come to our mind. That's great. Thank you very much.
yeah. If there are no questions, I'll end the call, and I'll see you guys on Tuesday, um, June 4th. We'll start off with safety databases. I hope you're going to get the calendar for June. If you did not get it for the whole month of June, so you can schedule your time accordingly. I believe all classes are Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Okay, Eastern. All right,
Thank you
guys.
very much.
Bye bye.
Thank you very much.